This is homework number 8. We're working on problem 6. We're being asked to solve an exponential equation. 7 to what power is equal to 138? Now, you could guess the answer. You could just try different powers of 7 until you got 138. That's going to take you a while because there's no nice whole number power or integer power of 7 that makes 138. For instance, if I go 7 to the third power, let's try the third power. That's 343. That's too big. So 3 isn't the answer. If I try 7 to the second power, that's too small. It's only 449. But we know it's a number that's going to be somewhere between 2 and 3. So you could start guessing. Is it 2.5? Is it 2.7? But we don't guess anymore in algebra because we have procedures that undo exponents. And by taking the logarithm of both sides of this equation, we can actually find the answer without guessing. So I'm going to change this equation to exponential form instead, from exponential form to logarithmic form. That's what that changing equation forms in our packet is all about. That's the reason we're learning how to do this. So let's label things. This is the base, this is the exponent, this is the answer, and if we put this in logarithmic form, we'll have a logarithmic equation that we can actually put into our calculator. So here we go. Log base 7 of the answer, 138, is equal to that exponent we're looking for. Okay, so the base went here. The answer from our exponential equation goes in the parentheses. That's what we're going to take the log of. And the exponent, that's what we're trying to find. We're trying to find what exponent to raise 7 to get 138. That's going to be our answer now. But wait a second, our calculator will not take log base 7 of a number. So this is going to be a two-step problem. We're going to need to use that change of base formula. So fortunately, I've got my notes packet handy. And I've got my change of base formula. It's the log of what's in the parentheses divided by the log of the base. And these are both log 10 then. So that's where I'm going to write out next. Log of the number in here, 138, divided by the log of the base here, 7. And that's going to be our D. So in other words, I just rewrote this side of the equation. Now I can actually do this in my calculator because it's log base 10. Remember, when there's no number on the log, it's a base 10 log. Alright, clear my calculator, so I need the log. Log key is on my calculator of 138. Close those parentheses, divided by the log of 7. And I end up with 2.532, and it looks like we are rounding to the nearest thousandths. And we're done. Now, you can actually check this answer if you'd like. We rounded, so it's not going to be perfect. But I'm going to try, I'm going to go back to this equation, and I'm claiming that D is about 2.532. In fact, I should use wavy equal sign when I mean about, when I had to round. So if I go back here to the equation and I try 7, power up, 7 raised up to the 2.532 power, and I hit equals, I should get an answer very close to 138. And I do, 137.97 blah blah blah. The reason it's not exactly 138 is because we had to round our answer. So again, you can check these problems when you're done.